Konnichi, arigato, arigato everybody, hello, hello. How are you today? Arigato, konnichiwa, oyasu nasai. Today I am making shallots lemon sauce with steak, beef. Very good. You should try at home. And very simple and easy. I just always tell you easy way, simple way. Simple, easy. Less time. Cooking less time, better. Okay. With so lemon, ginger, lemon shallot sauce. Lemon shallot, lemon shallot, lemon shallot, lemon shallot. Arigato ne. Let's go. Lemon shallot. So start cooking. Start cooking. Okay. Chop the spring onion. Okay, spring onion. Cut. As thin as possible. As thin. Down. See? Shots. Okay, this is beef, steak beef, beautiful. Using fillet steak, or you can use anything. You can use sirloin, Scotch fillet, everything. Okay. Next one, salt. Do you see that salt? Using Himalayan salt, and this one's pepper, juicy lemon juice, olive oil 2 scoops, sesame oil 3 tablespoons, and shallots. Okay, that's medium heat. If you want to, depends on how cook the beef, how cook the steak. If you cook the steak layer, medium layer, just put in a high heat, seal, flip over, seal, leave it to it 1 minute, done. If you're cooking well done, seal beef, flip over, seal, and low fire, cook slow. Okay? A little bit of oil. Nice. I'm using a steak, shallots, salt, pepper, lemon juice, sesame oil, and olive oil. Simple, easy one. Okay, let's go. Oh, beautiful. Okay, beef. Nice. Oh, beautiful. Don't need a salt and pepper. Don't need a salt and pepper because we're using a shallot sauce. Also we're using pepper and salt. Pepper and salt is cooking. Arigato ne, arigato. りがとう。ありがとうね、ビーフ。Always ありがとう。I can cook you very well. ありがとう。Always appreciate. Always appreciate. Mother nature. Beef, pork, chicken, even vegetable. ありがとうね。Yummy, yummy, yummy. I love medium rare. I love the medium rare. Rare to medium rare, more texture, more flavor of the beef. So I love that. Beef. This is layer. So now, one, two, take it off. Okay, take it off. Will do. And there is medium to slow fire, between medium to slow fire. Put the olive oil. Put the olive oil. Right. And shallots. Cook in the shallots. Yes, cook in the shallots. And next one, salt. Good. And pepper. Good. Oh, good, good. And next one, 3 scoops of sesame oil. Yummy. Okay, cook well. Shallots. Okay, next one. Last one. Lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. A squeeze lemon juice. Okay, sauce is done. Sauce is done. Chop the beef. Yummy. So good. Ginger sauce. Oh, sorry. Shallot sauce. Shallot lemon sauce. That's ta-da! Look at that. Shallot lemon sauce with beef. ただ美味しそうね。Looks yummy. いただきます。いただきます。ありがとう everybody。ありがとう beef。Thank you very much beef. I'm very appreciate. Shallots. Simple. Very very simple cooking. No, no. うまっ。わあ、レモンフレーバー。Shallots and lemon is best combo. Nice, beautiful. This is the easy one. Easy to make it. Oh my gosh. Steak is good, eh? So yummy. I need a rice. So nice. You should try. You should try it at home. Lemon, shallots, salt, pepper, what else? Sesame oil and olive oil. That's it. Oh, nice. So good. Oh, probably steak is good, eh? This steak is so yummy. Look, here we go. So tasty, this one. Nice. I'm tapping. But I'm KO. TKO. Technical knockout. Oishii. I want beer. Beer or Japanese sake with this one. Oh, maybe so good. So you should try. Simple one. Easy to make it. I'll see you next time. ありがとね。321ありがとう。Thank you. Thank you. ありがとね。ありがとね。Yeah. That is so good. This one. Bye bye.